Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Tuesday and we're starting once again with SPY. And it's still kind of asleep, just not doing much of anything other than following this downtrend here. It made a good effort, really tried to pop over it a couple times here, but selling pressure is too much, so it's just kind of hanging around and heading downwards for the near term. Onto crypto, Bitcoin is kind of moving sideways as well. We did test this resistance zone here and it did retrace just a little bit, but the support down here is holding, so we'll have to keep watching and see if it can bounce back up. I still got my ONT trade here, barely missed my take profit, but you know, it's still making lower highs and lower lows, so we are hopeful that it'll continue with that trend. Your NZD still in drawdown from yesterday. NZD JPY, this one did have a nice bounce back into my profit, but it is unfortunately forming lower highs as well as lower lows, so I'll probably look to exit this trade shortly. I might move my stop to take profit here, or break even, and then maybe move my take profit to some, you know, if I zoom in on the time frames here, I might be able to find like a smaller zone potentially that I could look at for take profit, something like that. That's still a lower high, but I think that should hopefully work out. But anyway, we'll move on to GBP NZD. This one did have a fallout after reaching a higher high, so I'm hopeful it can bounce somewhere here at a support zone and continue upward. USD CHF, I guess this is one of those that hasn't even been entered yet, so I'll move that to the bottom here. But we did have a couple new trades today. CAD CHF, hopefully it does come up and reach the zone here. I did take a short here before that worked out, so I'm hopeful that it can work out again. This time I have a bit bigger of a stop loss. I've been having some stops that just wick out lately, so I've put my stop up here at these lows up here, you know, where you could kind of draw some sort of zone there. So hopefully, unless it's going for that zone, I won't exit on my stop loss. Another one for today's USD CAD. On the 1 hour, I already had a break and retest, but if we zoom back out to the 4 hour, I guess it did as well. So we'll see. It may not come back to retest it once again, since it already has, but I do have my short ready to go if it does decide to do another test. Kind of unfortunate that I missed out on that. But that's how it goes. And then we just have a few we're still waiting on. NZD, USD. I could look at taking a short here at this support zone, like I did back here. And this is a zone that has not been broken since it crossed down back in February. So that has some potential there, but I am a little nervous about these higher highs, higher lows. It looks to be trying to make a run at this zone, attempt to break it, but that is still a possibility for a trade. This is probably a good short I missed out on. I could still step into that one if I wanted to, but yeah, it's meeting right at that trend line. It's looking like it's facing some selling pressure there, so you could look at a short there for sure, and probably have my stop just above this most recent high. It'd be something like that. So I might go ahead and place that trade. And then just a couple others that haven't quite reached their entries yet, EuroCAD and USD So that'll do it for today. Make sure to leave a comment down below of what you guys have been trading, and hit that like and subscribe buttons on your way out. Thanks for watching.